Hello students, I am Rashmita Maldar, Assistant Professor in Botany from the MP College of Arts and Science, Miramar, Panji. This module is for third year BSc students. Subject is Botany. Semester 5. Course code is BOC 107. Course title is Microbiology and Plant Pathology. The unit title is Unit 6, Introduction to Plant Pathology. The module name is Disease Symptoms Caused by Bacterial Plant Pathogens. Outline for this module is Symptoms caused by the bacterial plant pathogen and examples of bacterial plant pathogen causing various plant diseases. The learning outcomes are: at the end of this module, students will be able to recognize the symptoms caused by bacterial pathogens. They will be able to cite the examples of bacterial pathogen causing the plant diseases. The symptoms are: the first symptoms is bacterial spots. So bacterial leaf spot, they are necrotic circular angular lesions and may have yellowish outline. Spots are hollow and they can appear on leaves, blossoms, fruits and stems. So if the spots, they appear and they advance rapidly, the disease, they are being considered as blight. So the spots, they can get converted into blight disease. So here, the bacterial leaf spots, they are being caused by the genera Pseudomonas and Xanthomonas. So this picture is Syngonium bacterial leaf spot, which is caused by the bacteria. So basically this plant, they will be affected by the bacterium. Second symptom is canker. So canker can be slightly sunken, swollen, flattened, crackled, discolored and dead dark brown areas. So basically the gum will be produced in most cankers. Some cankers that do not produce gum may have sour odor and can be soft, sunken and moist. So the example is bacterial cankers which are caused by the genus Pseudomonas and Xanthomonas. So this picture is showing a citrus canker which is caused by the bacterium. Third symptom is galls. So galls have been referred to as crown gall, crown knot, root knot and root gall. So this is one and the same. So gall tissue is abnormal growth composed of disorganized, randomly proliferating cells that multiply in the intercellular spaces in the vicinity of the wound. So in the presence of the pathogen, it rapidly and continuous cell division occurs in the plant tissue and led to the formation of galls. So here we have bacterial galls which are being produced by the genera Agrobacterium and certain species of Arthrobacter, Pseudomonas, Rhizobacter and Rhodococcus. So this picture is of bacterial gall rust on the Douglas fir plant. Fourth symptom is the causal pathogen. Fourth symptom is bacterial wilts. So the causal pathogen enters, it multiplies and moves through the xylem vessel. So this is very important, xylem vessels of the host plant and interferes with the translocation of nutrients and water. So basically the pathogen will be interfering with the translocation of nutrients and water and they will be producing the gum. So the pathogen will often destroy parts of the cell wall of the xylem vessel, resulting in wilting in the plant. And it also causes death of the plant tissues and above ground parts of the plants. So here we have bacterial wilt which is caused by Arvinia trichophylla species, then Curtobacterium flecumfensis. Okay, so basically this picture is of bacterial wilt which is caused in the capsicum. Fifth symptoms is bacterial soft rots. So the plant cell in this will die and disintegrate. So rotting tissue becomes watery and soft and they will form some slimy foul smelling ooze. Okay. So basically this slimy foul smelling ooze will come out from the infected tissue, and bacterial ooze is a diagnostic character of a soft rot disease. So always we need to look for the oozing of the bacteria from the infected tissue. So the example is bacterial soft rots which are being produced by Arvinia species, then Pseudomonas species, Bacillus species and Clostridium species. So here the picture is of potato soft rot which is caused by a bacterium in the potato tubers. So next symptom is bacterial scabs. So it is basically the characteristics will be corky tissue will form below and around the lesion. Okay. Then rot pathogen can gain entrance into the host tissue through this lesion and further degrade the host, causing the circular taint, or it will form some brown surface blemish. With mild infection, blemish may be raised, okay? And with the severe infection, it will cause dark brown pits which is being formed, which are very much wider, shallower and lighter than those of the black pits. Then example I have given is bacterial scab which is caused by the bacterium streptomyces. So the picture is of citrus scab which is caused by the bacteria. Seventh symptom is bacterial ring spot. So bacterial ring spot is characterized by the intervenal chlorosis. So always remember, in the ring spot there will be intervenal chlorosis or curling of the leaves or wilting of the foliage parts in the plant, or in case of tuber there will be decay in the tuber, or there will be some ring spot in the tubers. So plant with advanced symptoms show vascular discoloration, then milky substances will be coming out and viscous bacteria may be formed from the cut stems. Rot begins as the brown necrosis in the vascular ring and progress to a surface. Cracks may also appear on the surface of the tubers, which are frequently nothing more than the hollow shells. So example is bacterial ring rot disease of potato, which is caused by the bacterium Clavibacter michiganensis. So basically this picture this picture is of bacterial soft rot which is caused by the bacterium Clavibacter michiganensis. So the eighth symptom is bacterial blight which can occur on all above ground parts but is most evident on leaves. So bacterial blight will be most evident on the leaves or mid to upper canopy region of the plants. So infection begins as small angular water-soaked spot that turn yellow and then they turn into brown color and then the tissue dies. So the spot darken and are surrounded by yellowish green halos. So the example is bacterial leaf blight of rice, which is a disease caused by bacterium Xanthomonas oryzae. So this picture is showing the picture of bacterial leaf blight in rice. So these are the references for these modules, the online and the book references. Thank you very much.